last questions, Alex.
Hi, Rob and Harvey, congratulations for being part of High Street. Ano pa karamdam? Parang kayo yung mga bagong characters na aabangan dito sa sequel ng Senior High.
Siyempre, very exciting kasi seeing how successful Senior High was. Siyempre, may expectations na po na sana mas makapaganda po namin yung High Street. So, excited po kami na mapakita sa inyo what we've been working on.
How about Harvey?
Siyempre, kabado kasi siyempre established na yung season 1 cast, may pinagsimula din. So, siguro may pressure of being able to fit in with the cast kasi yun ang bago. Pero so far, very smooth naman yung mga activities namin. Welcoming.
Pero kasi parang naging advantage pa na kasi nakasama mo yung ilan sa cast members sa buong. Parang ano nyo nga parang mini reunion ninyo. Advantage ba yun?
Yeah. Siyempre nakasama ko yun sila JK, sila Elijah, sa Blue Room. Nakasama ko rin dati sila Zijan sa mga shows dati sa iba. So, I guess advantage yun for me. Pero iba rin talaga ngayon kasi siyempre kilala nila yung characters.
How was the first taping day?
First taping day was fun naman.
First taping day ko actually, masaya din. Pero on my end, I was medyo nakakapapa sa character ko po. Tsaka first teleserye ko po ito talaga. So, I mean, very excited but at the same time, it's a big challenge also for me.
Oh, and how's the new hairstyle? Is it part of your character?
Part po siya ng character. Tsaka, ayun, actually mas manageable siya ngayon. Kasi mas maigsi na siya, mas nagmumukha akong bata. So, at least, you know.
Pero ano nga pala yung mga characters ninyo dito sa High Street?
Ako po, I played Doc Kevin, yung workmate po ni Roxy. And kung napanood niyo po yung trailer, ako manliligaw din po ako.
Which is played by
Cyril po.
Ako naman po, I play Wesley, co-worker ni Sky, na may feelings for Sky. Kasi wala po.
You guys are here at Pampanga, of course. As part of Bida Kapamilya, how does it feel to finally be here and see all the other Kapamilyas? I think this is your first time, guys, right? Kasi parang kailan lang din kayo na-launch, right? Tapos ang tagal na ng EBS-CBN na walang ganito. So, how does it feel to be here?
Ako, pulling up here, naalala ko yung mga events natin ng EBS na nasa-support ko yun pa ako. EBS used to hold these yearly events. Naalala ko yung pinaka-tumatak sa ako sa QC Circle. That reminded me.
60th anniversary ng
EBS 60th anniversary. Yes, yun yung naalala ko. So, pulling up here, very nostalgic. Exciting din, pero syempre kabado kasi perform kami mamaya. Hindi pa namin na-rehearse yung kakatayin namin. Pero na-practice naman kahit pa bago. Na-practice naman. Pero syempre kabado, very excited.
Gano'n ka-importante bilang kapamilya? Did you see all the other kapamilyas, your fans here? And kahit tarik-tarik na araw, they're all there.
Ayun po, ako personally as one of the newer kapamilya, syempre excited and very overwhelmed to see the amount of people and yung grabe laki ng stage. So first time ko ata mag-perform sa ganong kalaking stage. So syempre being able to perform in front of all the kapamilyas and alongside my fellow co-actors and more personalities, syempre excited.
What are your thoughts na parang nasabi ka ni Bix na parang kayo yung mga susunod na parang,
the next Heart Rock.
Yes, the next Heart Rock. So, your thoughts about it? How do you feel whenever some people would say, you guys are the next Heart Rock?
I mean, there's obviously an amount of pressure. Kasi seeing lahat po ng veterans before us na they've done so well to represent ABS-CBN, to represent how a kapamilya is supposed to act and how a kapamilya is supposed to be. Para sobrang, alam mo yun, nagaganahan naman na to hopefully be able to set my own path and be able to do the things that I want to do with this family.
So one last question for Patrol na Pilipino lang din. Sobrang init sa labas. As an artista, any tips for our kapamilyas na grabe init na init ngayon, tag-init?
Always drink water.
Tubig. Hydrate guys.
Kahit pag nagtitaping kami, we just shot Super Season 2 sa Zambales. Ito sa beach setting, so sobrang init. May mga ilaw pa. So
ng jug palagi. Yung jug ko ganun kalaki.
Yes.
So, kailangan
a lot of water.
And speaking of Zoomers Season 2, nagbabalik kayo sa Zoomers. Ano yung mga dapat abangan namin dito sa second season?
Puro away.
Ang daming away
Kasi
this season.
last season nag-away kayong dalawa.
Yes. Yeah, oo nga, nagawin ko. I mean, syempre, I think with season 1, very, I guess, shallow pa. Kasi di pa namin talaga kilala yung characters, even though sa after season. Pero going to season 2 with a new creative team, we have Director Kevin Alambra spearheading the project as director. Talagang tututukan kami, talagang nahanap namin yung puso of each character. And exciting. I mean, yun nga, like you said, nag-away kami ng season 1. Season 2, makita natin yung growth in our relationship ni Atom and Shades as friends.
And I heard this is going to be a summer adventure. Maraming topless scenes. Tama ba?
Pinaghandaan po namin yan.
Oo, pinaghandaan.
Nag-gym ka pa?
Nag-gym po.
Di ko na, ako personally, di ko nahabol yung pero ito,
mga 3 weeks siguro ako nagpakagutom for that. So, sana naman maganda yung mga shots namin sa beach. Ayun din. Tsaka yung grabe yung natural light. Yung nakuha namin yung mga shots namin sa sunset. Ibang klase
It's
talaga ng season.
very beautiful season to watch. Kasi very natural.
And yung love team mo with Rizak, ano yung dapat abangan namin sa love story ninyo?
Mas, without spoiling anything, mas malaro. I would say, syempre may push and pull pa rin between chicks and all. Really exciting. Exciting yung will they, won't they. And for season 2, may sakit na tayo.
May mga nagsabi na sa mga upcoming episode kaya ng High Street, mapanood doon namin si Krisa. Kasi ang lakas ng support sa inyo dun sa Zoomers eh. Sa season. Na pati sa Star Magical. Star Magical.
Sa prom.
Pro pala.
Tingnan natin sa writer, sa creative team kung nasa nila naman yung decision. Pero if she'll join the cast,
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
Kamusta naman yung shooting nyo sa Zoomers? Dahil kitang-kita naman na enjoy kayo sa mga story tsaka broadcast niya ni Teresa.
mainit.
Sobrang init.
Sobrang init. Aside from the heat, sobrang saya. Kasi, you know, nagsama na kami ng season 1. Tsaka, we have this, I can't speak on behalf of the rest. For me, kasi meron kaming parang, so we're a very small show. We're a very small show among juggernauts, yung senior high, Batang Quiapo, nakapasok, at Bayami nakapasok na sa prime time. So we have this, I guess, mentality na parang talagang family-oriented. Small show tayo, pero pakita natin na kaya natin lumaban. So meron kaming mindset on it. So during the filming, it was really fun. Kahit tiring siya, kahit very limited kami yung oras natin. It was fun kasi proud naman kami sa na-accomplish namin in that short time.
How about you, Rod? What do you enjoy more na? Yung pag-host o yung pag-acting? Kasi dati nakakasama kita sa Miss Universe.
Sa Miss Universe ako. As of now, focus po talaga sa acting. My priorities are really with ABS-CBN and being able to grow as an actor. Kasi feel ko dito po talaga ako. Dito po talaga ako mag-grow. Tsaka sa dami po nang namimit ko na tao, ibang klase po yung passion nila for the craft. So, sobrang nakaka-inspire.
And based on sa teaser ng High Street, no, talagang kaabang-abang kayong dalawa sa set.
Thank you.
Any more questions, kapamilya? Alright, thank you so much.
Picture na lang.